I'd like to offer my sincerest condolences to the family, friends and colleagues of Councillor Anna Tomlinson, who sadly passed away earlier this week after a courageous battle against cancer. Councillor Tomlinson was a colleague and friend, being a Labour member for Hobbain Ward in Hanwell. She was elected in 2018 and was dedicated in her service as a councillor, and we're grateful for everything that she did, serving on the Health and Adult Social Care Scrutiny Panel. She also was on the Audit Committee and was a champion for carers, also those who were fighting dementia and championing mental health services. She'll be a great loss, and we are very sad at her untimely death. I'd also just like to comment on her really incredible, positive and happy attitude during the lockdown. I spoke to her a couple of times. She was shielding because of her cancer treatments, but always remained positive and was always looking for ways to help others. She was very complimentary of all those who were helping with Ealing Together, mutual aid groups and local voluntary groups who were helping her and other vulnerable residents during the lockdown. And so we all pay tribute to Councillor Tomlinson and offer our sincerest condolences. This weekend we're celebrating the 72nd anniversary of the foundation of the NHS on Sunday the 5th of July. We're asking people at 5 o'clock on Sunday to go out onto their front doorsteps and clap a huge thank you to our NHS workers, also our social care workers and key workers who've kept us going during this coronavirus pandemic. We're also on Saturday the 4th, remembering all of those who've passed away during the crisis due to coronavirus, and asking people to put a light or a candle in their window on Saturday evening. We'll also be lighting the town hall up, NHS Blue, to remember all those who we've lost and to say thank you to our NHS. Now, finally, I just wanted to say a couple of words about the media reports and the rumours that there is a spike in coronavirus cases in Ealing and that there may be a local lockdown. Can I categorically say that these things are not true? Our COVID-19 cases are very low. We currently have 4.4 cases per 100,000 of our population. This is in contrast to the 135 cases per 100,000 of population in Leicester. So there is no cause for concern. There is not going to be a local lockdown. There is not a spike in new COVID-19 cases. And so people need to be reassured by that. We do recognise the need to be vigilant and to not be complacent, to continue to follow the social distancing rules, to make sure that people wash their hands thoroughly, they wear face coverings when they need to, and we're all doing everything we can to stop the spread of this virus in order to protect and save lives.